Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make this homemade cookies and cream ice cream. It's so simple, so keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make this. The first thing we want to do to make this is start off with a large bowl, and to that I'm going to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. We're just going to whisk this up until it forms stiff peaks. All right, so when it's formed stiff peaks, now what we're gonna do is move on to the next step. I'm gonna add to this just a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I don't wanna put too much vanilla in there because we're making cookies and cream. I really want that cream flavor to show through and shine through. So that way you taste the cream more than the vanilla. Next, we can add about a tablespoon of sugar and then 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Now what we're gonna do is fold all this in together. Now that that's folded in, we're going to crunch up some cookies to put in here. So let's move that aside just for a moment. So now I have both regular and double stuffed Oreo cookies. I'm going to use about 3 each in here inside the middle of our ice cream. And to do that, we're just going to open these up. Grab 3 out. Open this one up. And grab 3 out of there. Now we are going to use more Oreo cookies to decorate the top, but about 6 is all we really need to make this much Oreo cookies. You can do more if you really like more Oreo cookies throughout it, but it's up to you, it's a preference. Now I have a large Ziploc bag, large plastic bag. Just put these cookies in there, let out the air, zip it up. We're just gonna smash these down. Now we don't wanna smash them down into real fine bits. We wanna have different varieties. We wanna have big chunks, little chunks, and you know, it's really your preference. Gonna break them apart. Now we'll come back to our base ice cream here and just pour these in. Just fold these in. You can really see that 6 Oreo cookies for this size recipe works fine. You can go a little bit more, maybe 8. Now we're just going to bring out our freezer safe bowl and pour our ice cream base in there. Cookies and cream ice cream. I love cookies and cream. I love Oreos. There we go. Just spread this out nice and even. And one more thing we're going to do before we put it in the freezer is I'm going to put some more crushed up Oreos on top. So bring out our bag. I'm only going to use 2 Oreo cookies. Let's go 1 and 1. 1 regular and 1 double stuffed. Put it back in our plastic bag, zip it up, let the air out, of course. And smash. Bring back our ice cream base. Now this I'm going to sprinkle by hand. Just to make sure I don't have too many big chunks in one spot. There you go. This is our easy, no churn, homemade cookies and cream ice cream. Now just take some plastic wrap. And we want to push that down in there, but we don't want to mess up our Oreo cookies, right? So gently push it down in there, just to cover the ice cream. This will help prevent it from getting freezer burn. There we go. Put our lid on. And you want it in your freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or overnight's better. Now our cookies and cream ice cream has been in the freezer overnight. Give it enough time to firm up. Let's just open this up, pull off our plastic, and it looks really good. Cannot wait to dig into this. Now all we gotta do, dig into it and dish it out. And that's it. That is our cookies and cream homemade ice cream. Really easy to do. Now let's go on to the taste test. Well, now it's time for the taste test. I'm gonna dig into our homemade cookies and cream ice cream and see how it tastes. We'll get a little bit of cookies, cream. I do have a lot of cookies in there. Here we go. Amazing. That's the best part about using sweetened condensed milk when you're making this no churn ice cream, because it has that cream taste to it. Really good. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this homemade cookies and cream ice cream. It was a lot of fun and it tastes amazing. So I hope you get a chance to make it for yourself. And if you do, please share with me on any of my social media at FunFoodsYT. Also, check out some of the videos I have off to the side. I think you may enjoy those as well. And until then, I'll see you next time. So I have both inside of the ice cream. I can't talk. Let's try it again. Each cookie's inside. Ugh. Hiccups. All right, try it again.